In this video for CUNY Graduate Center students, I'll show you how to register on record with 7 weighted instructional units, otherwise known as WIUs. Only doctoral students can register on record with 7 WIUs, and only students who have been advised by their academic program to register on record should do so. Usually this registration is for doctoral students who are between exams or other requirements for their program, which move them to the next level, for example from level 2 to level 3. Please speak with your program for advising. Log into your Student Center by scrolling to the bottom of the Graduate Center homepage and clicking on the link for CUNY First. After logging into CUNY First, click on the Student Center tile. On the next screen, click on the Schedule Builder tile. See the Registering for Courses video for a screen-led walkthrough of these steps. You're now in Schedule Builder. On the Welcome screen, you'll see the current semesters with your specific enrollment appointment information. Click on the semester in which you would like to enroll. In the Select Courses panel on the left side of the screen, begin typing WIU in the search field. Register on record with 7 WIU will populate as the last entry in the drop-down menu just below the search field. Scroll down and click on Register on record with 7 WIU, which then places the selection on the right side panel and schedule results. This selection will fulfill the requirement for full-time student status. Scroll down and then click on the turquoise blue Continue button on the bottom right of the page. On the next screen, verify that WIU 7 and Register on record with 7 WIU appears. In the Actions column, confirm that the action is Enroll. Then, if everything is correct, click on the turquoise blue Do Actions button at the bottom of the Actions column. Before completing any enrollment actions, add, drop, or swap, the system will prompt students to review the user agreement in this pop-up regarding the university tuition and fee agreement. You can read the terms of the agreement at the link provided. In order to proceed with enrollment, click I agree to accept the terms outlined in CUNY's Tuition and Fees Manual, or select Cancel to return to the Schedule Results page without enrolling. If you choose to accept the terms, you'll return to the action you initiated on the enrollment page. The result of the action will load in the Results column on the far right. If you receive the success, this class has been added to your schedule message, your registration has been successful and is complete for this course. If the result is failed or error, read the message carefully, which contains details about the problem. You can either begin again by clicking on the turquoise blue Return to Select Courses button at the bottom of the Results column, or if you have questions, contact the registrar with a screenshot of the message for which you need clarification. We hope this video helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach our staff by calling us at 212-817-7500 or by writing to us at registrar@gc.cuny.edu. Please see our channel for additional videos designed to assist you with registering properly and to help you navigate the online capacities of student services.